Properties of triangle, exercise 10A, important question. Let us solve some important questions. Third bit, first problem, this first bit, second bit and third bit. This will be given for 7 marks question. This is 7 marks question. This is 7 marks or 4 marks. If these two combine, then 7 marks. These are quite easy questions. Let us solve this. So first, given we have to write given cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2. It's not given, we have to consider. So consider cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2. Then cot A by 2 formula is under root of s into s minus a by s minus b into s minus c plus under root of s into, here b is given, b angle is b, so s minus b by s minus remaining angle a, s minus c, remaining sides a and c, under root of, now angle is c, then s into s minus c by remaining c means s minus a into s minus b. Now in all the three terms denominator is different, s minus b, s minus a, s minus c, different denominators are there. In order to make this denominator equal, we will use this formula, Heron's formula. Delta is equals to area of triangle, that is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. See, s minus b, s minus c is here. In this term, s minus a, s minus c is there. Two terms are available in each term. In what is not available is available in numerator. So multiply and divide by numerator in numerator and denominator. Multiply with this numerator. Let us multiply this. Under root of s into s minus a multiply s into s minus a, same, and divide s into s minus a, multiply and divide s minus b, remaining term s minus c. So this will be plus, that is this, plus s into s minus b into s into s minus b by s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. See, s minus b and s we have multiplied. In this third term also similar, same, s into s minus c, s into s minus c by s into s minus a, s minus b by s minus c. So this will be Heron's formula by delta, under root s into s minus a into s minus b, s minus c, which is delta. Now s into s minus a, s into s minus a twice, square, s into s minus a, s square into s minus a whole square. So square root gets cancelled. So s into s minus a. This also s into s minus b into s into s minus b, s square into s minus b square. Square root gets cancelled, s into s minus b plus s into s minus c. See, delta is for this common denominator. We got common denominator for all the three. Then imply this is delta. So which is equal to, now s is common in all the three terms. Now s minus a plus s minus b plus s minus c by delta. Now 1s, 2s, 3s. So s into 3s minus a minus common a plus b plus c by delta. Now a plus b plus c is equals to, we have a plus b plus c by 2 equals to s, implies a plus b plus c is equals to 2s. Substituting we get s into 3s minus 2s by delta, which is equals to s square by delta. Now rewrite the equation cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 equals to S square by delta. Hence